Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to clear your private data in the Orbitz app on your phone. Managing your personal information is important for privacy, and clearing search history and account data can help keep your information secure. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Next, scroll down through your account settings until you find the Legal Information section. Then, you will see an option to clear private data. Click on Clear Private Data, and a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Confirm your choice by clicking on OK. Keep in mind that this action will sign you out of your account and remove all your search history from the app. Finally, you can return to the home screen of the app. Your private data has now been cleared, ensuring that your account information and search history are no longer stored in the app.